Whether it's daytime or nighttime, Mogadishu always amazes me. Welcome to my reality. I would like to share with you a story about three men who once visited a city. When the three of them went back to their hometown, the three of them were asked about the city. So the first one said, if paradise was brought to earth, it will be that city. The people were good, everything was beautiful, and everyone was treating me nice. The second one said, it was a nice city, it had a good side and a bad side. So I will not say it's a bad place and a good place. So I'm just in the middle. And the third one said, if hell was brought to earth, that will be the place. Everyone was rude, everyone was taking people's stuff, and everyone was behaving very, very badly towards me. The proof that Mogadishu is for all is always there. Businesses, people who work in the beaches, people who do different stuffs around the city, everyone from different places. And I hope that every city in Somalia will have the same qualities that Mogadishu have. Different people, different qualities, but the only thing that unites us will be that we are all Somalis. Everyone has his own story about the city and the way they see it. To me and my reality, it may be different from everyone else. I may be in the first category, the man who said, this city is a paradise. I may be in the second one that said, it has a good side and a bad side. Or maybe in the third category. But I wanted to inspire that Mogadishu is not just a place that one people or one group of people live, but a place with diversity, with different cultures and different people.